Real estate investing, how to create wealth and passive income through smart buy, hold real estate investing, rental property investment, and make money fast. Written by Brandon Mcelroy and Ken Turner. Narrated by Bruce Enrietto. Introduction. Looking for an investment in the long term? You think of real estate? But one question does not leave you. Must we still invest in real estate today? It all depends on what type of investment you want to have, your objectives, your capital, and the method of financing. If a real estate investment fits these criteria, then the answer to that question is yes. Real estate is known to be a safe, profitable, and long-term investment. But it has to be under the right conditions. The investor will have to choose to buy new or old. They will have to study the location of the housing to be sure to rent it. To make a profitable investment, you will have to find it when the rates are low. Then he will have to manage it himself or hire someone else to do it. This involves updates to the standards, and don't forget about the various taxes. Then why invest in real estate in the face of these constraints? If everything happens regularly, the landlord will receive monthly rent and may even benefit from tax benefits. Why invest in real estate today? The interest rate on savings accounts is historically low, and the risks are limited. If you want to get a good return on your savings and grow your fortune without going public, investing in real estate is always an ideal solution.
For more information, the latest books and free training courses, don't forget to check out our website at growthshape.com.
Chapter 1. The Advantages of Owning. Rental property. While passive income and the ability to be a landlord are two major reasons why an individual might consider taking on the responsibility that comes with owning a rental property, there are even more reasons to seriously consider taking this step. This chapter will look at the many benefits that exist for a landlord after he or she purchases a home at a bargain cost and repairs it on the cheap. Seeing these types of advantages will hopefully convince you as to why you should be investing in rental property. Rental Property Advantage 1. Asset Appreciation. One of the first aspects that makes owning a rental property so incentivizing is the fact that property in general is considered to be an asset. This means that it holds real value in the sense that it can carry debt, primarily through mortgages, and be given to others in exchange for settling a debt, such as when a bank repossesses a home. Over time, inflation is likely to occur in an economy, and this results in a limitation of the purchasing power that is available to the dollar. It takes more money in order to buy a good or service. When you buy an investment property, the concept of inflation plays to your advantage because of its worth as an asset. While some other assets depreciate when inflation strikes, such as a stock or liquid money, a home typically appreciates along with rising inflation. What's more, since you're going to be using this additional property as a rental home, you'll be receiving inflated amounts of money from any tenants that you agree to keep in your home. While there is a possibility that you can lose money on a property investment if you don't gauge the renovation costs and market correctly, a property investment is often far more secure than other types of asset-oriented investments in which you can partake. Noticing the value of inflation. As was just stated, hand in hand with asset appreciation is the importance of inflation. Inflation has made it progressively more difficult to buy possessions because the procuring of cash has diminished over time. Whenever more physical money is printed and given to an economy, the value of that money that was previously in circulation goes down. This is a basic supply and demand concept. If there is more of something, it is generally less valuable than if it were in short supply. While the hope when creating more currency is that with more money, people
Sample complete. Ready to continue?